everyone, day 3 has begun. Technically the last day. I'm leaving tomorrow, तो आज का ही दिन है. But yeah, there's not much to do today. My friend Nishant is busy. He has work today, so he couldn't come out with me. तो मैं खुद ही जा रहा हूँ. And like I said, most of the places I've seen already in the last 2 days. There's not much to see anymore. But there are a couple of nice places which I kind of saw, but I didn't, stay and experience the whole thing. So एक आधे cafes and there's a church which I want to visit, so I'm going to do that. And yeah, that's about it. I'm going to chill around. And anyway, it's a holiday today. It's Victoria Day. It's a national holiday kind of a scene. So बस वही है. So yeah, tag along. And yeah, it's going to be a fun day again. The weather is really nice, thankfully. So मज़ा आएगा. At least it's not gloomy. वरना पूरा मूड ही ऑफ हो जाता है यार if the weather is not good. It's bright, sunny, warm, not too hot, so perfect weather to just walk around. So we've reached Uwil. This is like the junction, the central area जहाँ से everything is so close by. The church, the chateau area, the markets, everything is close by. So this is like the central area. So I've reached, okay, I'm a little confused. I'm looking at the map. Okay, so I'm going to the cathedral first, which I missed for the first 2 days. It's a very famous cathedral, so I'll go there first and then see what the plan of action is. So it's not too far. It says it's around 800 meters away. So yeah, I'm just following the map. Looks pretty straightforward, and I'm following the crowd. So hopefully they're all going there. Anyway, I came here yesterday and it looks pretty vacant. Probably because it's Victoria Day today, which is why it's very empty. Hardly any people, which is good for me. This entire area feels very familiar now. At least I don't know exactly what it's called. Most of the adjoining areas, but it seems very familiar because I've been coming here for the last 2 days now, and yeah, all the buildings seem very familiar. I love the architecture and the variety of designs. Some of them are very outright European in style. Some of them are very French with those plants and everything hanging out of the building like these. Love the vibes. So if you see this castle-like entrance, this is I think I read it somewhere. This kind of marks the entrance of the Champlain Street or this old Quebec area. So pretty evident. If you see, all the buildings are very similar in similar colors, similar arched windows, very European and French in design, and rightfully so. Okay, now if I'm not wrong, this street that I'm getting into, this is called the Champlain Street or Petit Champlain the Street, something in French. I forgot the name, but this is it. This is one of the, I think, the oldest streets here in Quebec, where all the cafe shops are located. So yeah, I'm just gonna go there now. So this place is very empty, less crowded as compared to yesterday, and I love it because yeah, better for me. Okay, wait, I'm stuck between people. Yeah, very nice, and this whole place is very old. I read it somewhere that it's one of the oldest streets or something. And yeah, you can see, if you see the the buildings, the windows, just about everything looks really old and very well maintained, and just adds to the whole charm of this old city, right? And this whole part is called Old Quebec or Vieille Quebec. So yeah, very pretty. Love it. I'm thinking, should I eat something right now because I'm not that hungry. I just want to cover up a couple of things before I sit down, eat and chill. So probably I won't eat now. I'm very tempted looking at all these nice cafes, but I'll just hold on for a while, I guess. There's so many lanes around this main street, and I think I'll come and explore all of these, at least most of these, once I'm done with visiting the church and other places. But yeah, very pretty, like very different. with the weather being so amazing, I'm craving for a drink right now. Like, I can't even tell you how tempted I am looking at all these people sitting by these roadside cafes. But I want to eat something first. Yeah. Love this place. I didn't expect Quebec City to be so immersive, so full of heritage and character. While researching, I thought it's just another old city, but I'm amazed as to how much the city has to offer. And if you're somebody who's in not Toronto, in Canada, and looking for a quick 3-4 day getaway and want to kind of dive into some heritage culture, this is the best place to be. Such a relaxed, laid back in a good way city with so much of character. I think for somebody who enjoys art and culture and history, this is the place to be. And if you have more time in hand, let's say 5-6 days, spend about 2 to 3 days in Montreal and another 2 to 3 days here, and combine both the places. I think can't get better than that. I went to Montreal a year and a half back. Very similar in a couple of things, but again, whole different heritage and culture. So yeah, if you have more time, let's say 6-7 days a week, go to both the places. Okay, I'm very close to the cathedral, around 250 meters more, but I'm not too sure if it's open today. Ideally it should be. Victoria Day should not impact the working hours of all these public places, but you never know. So that's the gelato shop that I've been coming to the last 2 days. This is such a beautiful place. One of the best gelatos I've had. And the owner was so nice. So the first day we went there and obviously we had something. Yesterday we went there again and that guy recognized us, and obviously he was speaking all French. My friend was translating it, and he was so happy that we came back. He told him that I have something for your friend. I'm like, what? So he actually gave me a nice chocolate donut kind of a thing. It wasn't a donut, but he was like, thanks for coming back and this for you. It was a very small thing, very small gesture, but just a very special thing, goes on to show how nice people are in general. That was a very nice moment. It's such a beautiful day today. The trees look extra green, the sky looks extra blue. This is very beautiful. I have a strong feeling the cathedral is closed. The cathedral is right in front of me and the doors look closed. Let's see. I have a strong feeling it's closed. It's okay. It is what it is. Let's see. Nahi hua to we'll go somewhere else. I don't know. I see some people going there through that gate. I don't know if they're going to the cathedral or they're going somewhere else. No idea. No idea. Oh no, it's open. I see people. Hi, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Is the cathedral open? Do you know?
Yeah,
it's open.
Yeah,
Oh,
yes.
Thank you. Bonjour. Okay, so the cathedral is open. Thank God for that. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna shut down the video right now. Catch you guys in a bit. super pretty church, cathedral, very peaceful. Very similar to, I think, I mean, obviously I'm not, like, I can't differentiate between churches and cathedrals that well because, you know, I don't know that much honestly. But yeah, it felt very similar to the Notre Dame Cathedral that I have seen in Montreal. But very pretty, a lot of historical importance. I saw a lot of things which I obviously couldn't understand their significance, but I felt really peaceful. I'm glad I came here, and I don't know if you can hear it behind me, but the bells, the church bells are chiming right now. So yeah, very good experience. I'm glad I could make it, and I'm super glad it was open. So now I don't know where should I go. I have forgotten kya baki tha. Actually, there's not much. I think I will grab something to eat, chill for a bit, and probably go around the chateau area once again, just to look at the views, sit around. There's not much, like I said, there's not much to see today. I've pretty much seen everything, but yeah, that's the plan. Okay, so I'm back at Chateau Frontenac, the iconic building of Quebec City. Looks so grand and majestic. I've been coming for the last 2 days, but it looks different each time. The first it was cloudy, so it looked a little different, but today again I'm here during the middle of the day, so looks very grand, obviously. So this whole place, this whole boardwalk kind of a thing that you see in front of Chateau Frontenac, this is called, in French, it's called Terrasse Frontenac or Terrace Frontenac, like literally a terrace in front of Chateau Frontenac. So this is a beautiful place where you can just sit. There are lots of benches. You can just sit here, enjoy the weather, look at the river, and just yeah, enjoy the beauty. Beautiful place. Yeah, you must come here, guys. If you're in Canada and if you're in and around Quebec, this is the place to be. Love it. I'm so glad I made this trip. My heart is full. This is the beauty of traveling, you know. You go to a place, you soak in the vibes, and this is something which has always given me happiness. I don't want grand things when I'm traveling. I just want the little joys here and there, and that kind of makes my heart full. Philosophy.